Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best pool skimmer is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for maintaining a pristine above-ground pool, silently working to capture floating debris like leaves, bugs, and pollen before they sink and create a mess, ensuring your swimming experience remains crystal clear and enjoyable with minimal effort on your part, making it a truly indispensable tool for any pool owner. Number 5. Intex Deluxe 800 GPH Plus Automatic Pool Skimmer. Tired of leaves and debris cluttering your pool? This automatic skimmer is designed to catch them before they sink, keeping your water crystal clear. Attaching it to your pool is a breeze, thanks to its adjustable bracket. It connects directly to your filter pump for automatic operation. Constructed from durable, chemical-resistant polypropylene, this skimmer is built for longevity. Cleaning the basket is simple, ensuring continuous performance. For optimal results, pair it with an Intex filter pump that has a minimum flow rate of 800 gallons per hour. It's designed for seamless integration. Cleaning is quick and easy. Simply remove the strainer basket for hassle-free maintenance. Its compact design fits conveniently in your pool area. What we like. This skimmer automatically helps catch leaves and debris before they sink. It easily mounts to your pool's sidewall and connects to your filter pump. If you have an Intex pool and want a hands-off cleaning solution, this is a great choice. What people say. This skimmer works great for cleaning the surface of the pool. It is easy to assemble and attach to the pool. The skimmer effectively collects leaves and debris. Number 4. Intex Deluxe Above Ground Pool Maintenance Kit 28003E. Introducing the Intex Deluxe Above Ground Pool Maintenance Kit. This comprehensive set is designed to keep your pool sparkling clean and safe all season long. The included vacuum utilizes your filter pump's power for superior suction. It effectively cleans debris from the floor, walls, and surfaces of your pool. Reach every corner of your larger pool with the 110-inch adjustable telescoping pole. Its aluminum shaft makes it lightweight and durable for easy handling. Effortlessly remove stubborn algae and grime from your pool walls. The curved brush and scrubber vacuum are specifically designed for thorough wall cleaning. This complete kit includes a leaf rake with a debris net, a curved wall brush, a deluxe vacuum head, a scrubber vacuum, the telescoping pole, and a 24-foot hose with connectors. Perfect for above-ground pools 18 feet in diameter and larger. Ensure optimal cleanliness for your big backyard oasis. What we like. This is a comprehensive kit designed to keep your larger above-ground pool sparkling. It includes a vacuum, brush, and a long telescoping pole for easy reach. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to maintain pools 18 feet and above, this kit has you covered. What people say. This skimmer is a great addition to my above-ground pool. It does a fantastic job of collecting debris. The design is very user-friendly, making it easy to install and maintain. It effectively removes leaves and other floating particles from the water surface. Number 3. U.S. Pool Supply 5-foot Leaf Skimmer Net. Keep your pool, spa, or pond sparkling clean with this essential tool. It's designed for quick and efficient removal of leaves and debris, making daily maintenance a breeze. This 5-foot skimmer features a durable, fine mesh net that's perfect for capturing even the smallest particles. The lightweight aluminum pole is easy to handle and assemble. Its large volume mesh bag collects more debris in a single pass. The fine netting effectively holds onto leaves as you maneuver it through the water. The sturdy plastic frame is safe for all pool types and won't damage liners. You can even adjust its length for versatile use, from a full pole skimmer to a hand skimmer. We stand behind our products. Enjoy a hassle-free experience knowing you're backed by a trusted brand committed to your satisfaction. What we like. This skimmer features an ultrafine mesh net that captures even the smallest debris. Its lightweight design and customizable pole length make it versatile for various pool sizes, spas, and ponds. If you need a reliable tool for quick, thorough daily cleaning of fine particles, this is an excellent option. What people say. The skimmer is easy to assemble and attach to the pool. It effectively collects debris from the surface of the water. The design allows for continuous operation as the pool pump runs. Number 2. Hayward Dyna-Skim Above-Ground Pool Skimmer. Built from tough, non-corrosive ABS material, this skimmer is designed to last. It can handle sun exposure and long-term outdoor use without degrading. Its high-capacity basket captures more leaves, bugs, and debris. This means fewer cleanings and more time enjoying your pool. The robust, single-piece housing ensures no leaks and maximizes its lifespan. It's built for reliability in your above-ground pool system. With front and top access, removing debris is fast and simple. You won't need any tools for quick cleanups. Get everything you need for easy setup. The kit includes essential fittings and adapters for simplified plumbing and vacuuming. What we like. Built with heavy-duty, UV-resistant ABS, this skimmer is designed for long-term outdoor use. Its large-capacity basket means less frequent emptying, and the dual-access design makes debris removal a breeze. If you want a durable, low-maintenance skimmer for your above-ground pool, this is a solid pick. What people say. This skimmer is a great addition to my above-ground pool. It does a fantastic job of collecting debris and keeping the water clean. The design is simple and effective, and it's easy to set up and use. I love that it doesn't require any electricity or special tools. I was skeptical at first, but this skimmer has exceeded my expectations. It's surprisingly efficient at removing leaves, bugs, and other floating debris. The adjustable basket makes it easy to customize for different pool sizes, and the durable construction ensures it will last for many seasons. It's a game changer for pool maintenance. Number 1. U.S. Pool Supply Professional Spa and Pool Hand Skimmer. Keep your spa, hot tub, or pool pristine with this essential tool. It's perfect for quickly and easily removing leaves, bugs, and other debris. This skimmer features a durable yet lightweight frame with an ultrafine mesh bag. The detachable aluminum pole makes it easy to handle and maneuver. Its large capacity, ultrafine mesh netting effectively collects more debris at once. The design ensures that collected debris stays within the net as you clean. The durable plastic frame is safe for all pool types, including in-ground and above-ground pools. It's designed to protect your pool liners from scratches. Purchase with peace of mind, knowing it's backed by a trusted brand committed to your satisfaction. We aim for a hassle-free experience every time. What we like. This is a compact, handheld skimmer perfect for quick cleanups in spas, hot tubs, or small pools. Its deep, ultrafine mesh net effectively captures small debris. If you need a convenient tool for targeted cleaning in smaller water features or inflatable pools, this is your go-to. What people say. This skimmer is a game changer for keeping my above-ground pool clean. It effectively collects debris before it sinks to the bottom, significantly reducing the need for manual vacuuming. The design is simple yet highly functional. It attaches easily to the pool's filter system and works continuously to skim the surface, removing leaves, bugs, and other floating particles. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.